It's 5:30. I did not sleep long enough. I also kept having nightmares. Anyway, shall we? Well, at least there's a little pretty sunrise today. Little pink sky. Okay, we got my food for today, my backpack, and me. Oh man, I think it's so funny. I always start off like high energy, high week, you know, getting into it. First day comes, dead. Absolutely hating it. But like, that's the fun thing, I guess. I mean, it's not fun, but it's like, that's life. I love driving in the Midwest because there's no traffic. Yes. Okay, so we are here at the school. That's the door I go in. I almost hit a deer on the way here. It's the Midwest. I always almost hit a deer when I go to the Midwest. Chicago, Michigan. I mean, the two times I went to Michigan, these animals just don't know what they be doing, so they're very unpredictable on which way they're gonna go. You know, they could be going away on the other side of the street, or they could be going to your side of the street, or pass back to the woods. So, you know, it always depends, but yeah. All right, I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna go in. Lunch today, a leftover Subway sandwich. Sitting outside for a few minutes. In the closet.
So hopefully it's good enough for you.
It is.
You'll have to fix it, but I'm trying.
Think that it's gonna be like a full flight or anything? Finally done. It's 10:38, which means I'll get at the hotel at 11, which means I probably won't get to bed until 12. So, you know, everything's fun and it's gonna be great. I am exhausted. Bloodshot eyes. I'm dead. I'm tired. I want to go home. I want to go be in my bed with my girlfriend. Michigan does not like me, okay? Michigan, she's not a fan of me. People are just not nice here. Maybe it's this event. Maybe it's the fact that I'm a lesbian. Maybe it's also the fact that I can't eat dairy. And then I have to get my own food because they can't supply that for me. You know, there's just a lot of things that makes me just want to leave, want to go home, want to not do this. But luckily next weekend is gonna be closer to home. You know, there's good things that are coming. I have to be grateful for a job. That's one of them. My eyes hurt so much. All right, let's do this. Da-da-da-da-da-da. SD cards. SD cards. Oh yeah. It's 5:40. Gonna get going. God, this sucks. Oh, man. God, I'm so tired. I'm not in the mood. Okay, well, sunrise check. But I'm making money so I can survive and go on trips. Because that is the whole point of working. I don't want to know. What's on the menu today? Tuna and apples. God. I think I've gotten to the point where I'm just like so exhausted that I just don't care. Have you ever like gotten to that point where it's just like, I'm done? Yep. I think I'm also coming to the realization that like people are not gonna meet my basic needs, so like I need to get my ass in gear and do it myself. Yeah. Okay, finally finished. It is 8:24 and I gotta go run to this food place to get any kind of actual dinner. I'm tired of eating sandwiches. And so that's what we're doing. We're going and we're getting sandwiches, or not sandwiches, just any kinds of other food. All right, sorry, the guy that I was working with was like, oops.
Turn left onto East Oakley Park Road.
Oh boy. Saying goodbye to me or whatever. I didn't say goodbye to anybody because I was like, no, I didn't enjoy working with you. I'm not gonna give you that. So I gave him a good Irish goodbye. We're gonna go get food. I'm hangry as hell. Okay. Well, hopefully he's good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I got actual food. Actual food tonight on the menu. I think I might cry. Okay, just put it down there with all my other food. About to be partying it up in my hotel and slamming my ass to bed. Cause like, that whole event was just awful. So many, I'm so hot and bothered right now. I'm so mentally drained. Like I'm drained. Also, I don't really have a place to eat this. I'm gonna be eating it on the floor because this desk is gonna be my uploading desk, which I'm gonna start right now. And then I also need to repack that big suitcase and just hope and pray that it's not over 50 pounds. Then I'm gonna be one of those people holding up that line in the airport. Cause when I was getting here, that's what someone was doing. They was holding up them lines because there was only one person working and there was a few people who had to take out their stuff. Resituated. Ugh, aggravating. I don't want to be that person. So we're just gonna haggle it. What I've learned is that, you know, if I'm doing something cool, such as traveling, I don't mind eating less, right? I don't mind, you know, having a tighter budget. I don't mind, you know, eating anything like that. But when I'm working 16 hours and I don't have food, my mind just kind of, I don't know, stops working and I lose focus super quickly. It's one of those things that if you don't feed your brain, it's not gonna work. Especially with work. Traveling is different because, like, you know, you can relax, you can take your time, you know, trying to find food that you like it doesn't matter. You have like some, you know, granola bars, some snacks, and it's fine to hold you over. But when you're working, it's a different level of hunger. Finally, the Wi-Fi connected this time, yay.
Guess what I found out's removable?
What did you break? Oh. Dang, I'm eating like a king tonight. Yum.
Which is good.